City of Stars Collision Center, the place where we transform your damaged vehicle from a wreck back into showroom condition using state-of-the-art equipment, technology, and years of auto body expertise. Your automobile is probably the second most costly investment that you'll ever make. When it gets damaged, you don't want to entrust the repair to just any body shop. At City of Stars Collision Center, all of our employees are thoroughly trained to work on all types of vehicles using the latest welding techniques. In addition to being an ASE certified facility, we are also ICAR Gold rated, which is the highest standard for the auto body repair industry. When you first choose a body shop, you are probably wondering, do they have experience with my type of vehicle? And is this a good shop? At City of Stars Collision Center, you can put your concerns to rest. As a direct repair facility for many major insurance companies, City of Stars Collision Center has established a reputation of delivering dependable, quality repair. We take all the hassle out of auto body repair. Here at City of Stars Collision Center, we believe full service is more than just a slogan. We will arrange your towing and rental so that you can stay on schedule. We can even provide you with mechanical repair if necessary. We want your vehicle to leave us looking better than it looked before your accident. It's no wonder that City of Stars Collision Center is recommended by many major insurance companies.